Welcome to St. Kitts.
Hi, this is Mrs. Moore, the chicken lady. The best place to eat right here in St. Kitts, #1, Mrs. Moore.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
What a day we had in St. Kitts.
That was a pretty cool day.
We went scuba diving.
We got off the boat. We were a little late getting off the boat.
Yeah.
So we did, then we met up with pro divers. Fortunately, there was only 3 of us in the dive. 3 crew, 3 divers. We did 2 dives, 2 pretty good dives. I mean, they thought the visibility was not good. But
Right.
it was pretty good. Yeah.
So we saw a turtle on the surface before we went down, but didn't see anything under there. We saw lots of little fish.
Yes.
We saw a seahorse.
See. Lionfish.
Lots of lionfish
that we've never seen before.
And some
We
stingrays.
saw 3 stingrays. So, pretty cool.
Pretty good day.
And then some of their coral and some of their, I don't know what those tubes are. I wouldn't call that coral.
But I think it is kind of corally.
It's soft.
But the sea life was very
Different than
interesting
what we're
and,
used to.
and unique and for us, and it was really cool. then one of the guys on the boat recommended that we see Mama Moore.
Mrs. Moore.
Mrs. Moore.
Mrs. Moore.
Most of them locals call her Mama Moore. She was the most welcoming, warm,
beautiful
person. She wanted to make sure everyone that came and ordered food and visited her was happy and satisfied.
Yeah.
Johnny cake and fried fish. And the cheese Johnny cake. We wanted to say thank you.
Thank you. Very good food.
And could you, for video, just say, welcome to yours. Hi, this is Mrs. Moore, the chicken lady. The best place to eat right here in St. Kitts, #1. Mrs. Moore.
Johnny cakes.
Zanti. Johnny cake with saltfish, Johnny cake with chicken, Johnny cake with love.
Thank you, dear.
When you come, it's water and you will take fresh. The wrong thing to wait. Right. You can't wait, you go. And one thing to, I never take money from people. Satisfaction first, money after. And I was telling you, if you don't like it, if you're not satisfied, go. Don't blame me. I would not come.
Yeah.
You're not doing anything. You're not satisfied, sweetheart. Go. Because I know when I am finished, everybody will be satisfied.
Yeah.
And everything every day.
That's beautiful.
I share it, you know, or we share it, but when you get it, you got the money. And I don't expect nobody. I give everybody the same sort of thing. I don't care white, black, pink, blue, or green. No. If you want to give them to tip, fine, I appreciate it. If not, you already pay for your stuff. Everybody gets the same treatment. Good news travel fast, bad news travel fast.
Yeah, very fast.
And people know more about you and pretend not to know. For me, I keep everybody the same. Because sometimes people come and they eat before they know the price and they come back and they will just come and ask how much it is or call for it and hear what you got to say. So keep your name. Take my clothes. Yeah. Take all the money. Take all the food. But my name. I want my name. I have a name and I'm going to maintain this. And it's Mrs. Moore. Mrs. Moore.
Yeah.
Mama Moore. Mama Moore.
Mama, beautiful Mama Moore.
It was a pleasure serving you guys.
Yeah.
Hope to see you again.
Love the fish. Thank
Love
you.
the fish. Yes. And tell everyone when they come to St. Kitts, they must have Mama Moore.
Fish St. Kitts. Mama Moore.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sweetie.
See you next time.
Thank you. No, she's okay. Thank you, sweetie.
Morning we went scuba diving in St. Kitts with co-divers. And Michael and Austin were great, and Mike said we have to come see Mama Moore for some fish and Johnny cakes. So we came to Mama Moore's,
Mrs. Moore.
Mrs. Moore's, behind the post office for our lunch. And you need to come see her too for some great food. She's a great woman. She's been here for 20 years, not far from the port, right by the post office. And she, after talking to us, she gave us some lovely passion fruit lemonade.
And we have Johnny cakes with saltfish, Johnny cakes with fried fish, Johnny cakes with cheese, Johnny cakes with chicken.
And cinnamon. Johnny
That's
cakes
it,
with
yes. Right next to the National Museum. Port's over there.
So when you're in St. Kitts, when you see Mrs. Moore, Mama Moore, you gotta get the passion fruit lemonade. It's so good.
It'd be really good with 5 kilograms.
So it's called a
The calabash.
calabash.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
It grows on the calabash tree here, and it's green. When you pick it, it's green. Okay. It gets, as it age, it gets brown.
Yeah.
Yeah. But to utilize it, to use it for our craft, we have to cut it as we pick it when it's green.
When it's green.
Once it gets to this stage, very difficult.
yeah.
No,
And
so
it doesn't make sense.
Do you eat the inside?
Then, no.
No.
What it has a pulp inside. The pulp that
Pulp.
is inside,
Pulp, uh-huh.
Yeah.
the pulp that you get from here, we blend it with aloe and we use it to wash our teeth.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we use it for. But the Rastas use a really nice one of this for as an eating utensil. They put their food, the soup.
a
it
bowl.
leaves- Yeah, it's a bowl.
Yeah,
Nice.
Why not?
You can also paint, like you paint it as face, do a face
Some
mask.
mask.
A mask.
Carve on it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have one in my tub.
For carnival.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and so on.
Uh-huh.
So this is utilized. We use it a lot, and it came here when the early settlers came. They brought the calabash.
The
to
calabash.
St. Kitts, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So we use it for craft. We use it for eating utensils.
For your hair.
And we use the inside for having our hair
So-
done, well done.
Yes.
Shine.
Shiny.
Yes.
And you make jewelry out of
And I
it.
make jewelry out of it.
So
and
that's
this-
made out of
This is made out of calabash.
Calabash.
Yeah. This, when the outside of, before it has on the color, is like this.
Mm-hmm.
I take my time and I put each color.
And design it
And
yourself.
then I have put a resin over it
Uh-huh.
to keep the color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is that.
So I'm going to take these right here.
Okay, you like that?
Yes.
Yeah. So my name is Lorenza Ade, the Calabash Lady.
Lorenza?
Lorenza.
Nice to
Ade,
meet you.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Native
And
born
Saint-
and raised here
And St. Kitts.
in St. Kitts.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. Thank
It was a
you.
pleasure. It was a pleasure
Beautiful
speaking
country.
to you.
Yeah.
Oh, I tell people that you have to have a wow moment here. A wow moment.
Right.
Because it's warm from the atmosphere, the
Right.
climate, and it's the people are warm.
Yes.
So that's
Yes.
a double whammy you will
And
get.
we started our day underwater
Yeah, the scuba dive.
with the
Scuba
fish.
diving, yeah.
And then we saw Mrs. Moore for
Yes,
our
for
lunch.
your lunch.
And now
And then
here
you
we
have
are.
met
Yes.
Lorenza.
Lorenza, yes.
Thank you so much.
Nice to
Yeah,
meet
so
you. Thank you.
That you know your memories
Yes, is the
of
people.
today.
Of course.
Is the people.
That's, it. That's the best.
Yes. Back to the Regal Princess. We had a great day. We had a great day in St. Kitts. Routine boat maintenance on the Regal Princess. We are almost back to our boat. Good afternoon, thank you. Got back on the boat a little early.
Yeah.
Not bad, and nice to clean up and
So
then go up to the Lido deck and see some of the views of St. Kitts and town from the boat, which was kind of cool.
and a very colorful town.
Yeah, very nice. Everybody was warm and friendly, and so tonight we had dinner and we saw a great Elton John,
Elton John tribute.
tribute show.
Yes.
That was really good.
Come on in. Oh, you sound like you want to watch the money.
And then we did some 80s music trivia.
Yes.
And who did better than who?
Yeah. Robin,
Always.
there was 20 songs, and so you had a point if you got the artist, a point if you got the song.
So a total of 40 points.
Yeah, I
And
got it.
how many did you get?
35.
Good job.
But one song.
We didn't even get a picture of that scorecard, so I don't know.
Oh, maybe it didn't count then.
No, maybe not. Tomorrow we
or getting off at St.
Saint
Martin.
Martin.
Let us know in the comments below if you have scuba dived before, and if so, where was your favorite spot that you did?
Yeah.
And we will see you on the next adventure.